Every PlayStation begins long before it reaches your living room. It starts inside one of the world's most advanced electronics manufacturing facilities. An advanced cooling system keeps the powerful hardware operating under extreme gaming workloads. High-pressure molding machines shape the iconic console exterior with exceptional accuracy. Yield rates are holding at 99.9%. Impressive. The new calibration sequence is a success. Every console undergoes rigorous automated testing before leaving the factory. After passing hundreds of inspections, each console is carefully packaged for gamers around the world. From silicon to the hands of millions of players, every PlayStation represents one of the most advanced manufacturing achievements in modern electronics.